So everyone, the startups, they would want to start small. They have different use cases. They would put in storage for one thing of one kind, and then another storage for another thing, another kind. But then each application has different needs. So which means things are getting siloed and every storage looks different. I have heard customers say that they love their first storage experience. They love their second box too. But as it's growing, as the storage is expanding, they stop loving it. What do you think about it?
A couple of things with that. So first, when you're starting small, it's not worth optimizing it, right? Just, you're a small startup, you should be storing your first data in the cloud. Just use the cloud, it's right there. When you start growing, then you might start saying, okay, I should do something special for this use case or that use case. I think that's the first thing. Standardization is the key to simplicity. It's something that at Pure, we've always tried to build into our products, make them really simple and easy to use. And, it's simple to have one, it's simple to have two, but when I have 100 of them, who wants to do the same thing 100 times? That's one of the reasons why we're trying to do, this enterprise data cloud at Pure. The idea being, let's have one way in which you plan out your storage. You plan your entire infrastructure, you define a few simple storage classes, and then let the implementation of that happen, by the arrays intelligently as you allocate it. So I don't have to go and manage my storage array by array by array. Instead, I just manage my storage service. It's a much simpler way to handle a bunch of things, and that gets over the problem of, as I get a number of simple things to use, I'm doing repetitive tasks. The worst thing in any IT department is repetitive tasks. Humans don't like being repetitive, so they get slack, they lose concentration, they take shortcuts, and thus they make mistakes. It's something that is a challenge to every engineer at Pure, for example. We want to build a product that's really simple and easy to use. So as you add features and do anything to the product, you need to figure out, how do I do it so it's invisible, so it's intuitive, so it just works. Think about the products you use in your personal life. When you get a product that really, it's simple and easy, and when you try to do something with it, it just does what you want. That's the ideal product. And you say, I'm going to buy more of that.